This is Smoke Hose. Today we're doing turkey. Gobble gobble, daddy. This is an 18-pound turkey. What we're gonna do is we are going to fill the cavity of the turkey with onion, lemon, and garlic. We're also gonna bundle up these herbs and we're gonna put them in sage, rosemary, and thyme. And then we're gonna make a little bit of a butter mix right here. We're gonna put our fingers into the skin with the butter and the herb blend. And then we're gonna put some butter and seasoning on top of this turkey.
Don't. That's disgusting. Stop it.
Now, it's time to spice things up in the kitchen. I wish I could do the sheesh look, you know what I mean?
You gotta look at the salt, you can't just look.
Close your eyes a little bit more, squint them.
Okay,
And then scrunch the forehead.
Can I come up and slap you in the face?
We brought Dani in. She's our expert at tying turkeys up. So why don't you go ahead and tie this turkey up?
So when you're gonna tie up a turkey or any sort of bird, first thing you're going to do is get the 100% cotton cordage under the front of the bird so that you can bring it up and then cross it so that you get those wings in nice and tight. You'll then bring the cords under each of the legs and then under the butt here, wrap it around. You're gonna wanna cross the legs of the turkey. Sometimes if you have a lot of stuffing, it's kind of difficult to do, but if you cinch that cord up really tight, everything's gonna stay in better. If you cross the legs, you'll wanna tie it really nice and tight here, and then your bird should be good to go.
So, we've got the cavity filled, we've got the skin buttered, we've got the seasoning on top, and we've got this baby bound. So, now we're gonna take this turkey and we're gonna put it in the Traeger. We're gonna set the temperature at 180, but then we're gonna crank it up towards the end so that we can reach an internal temperature of 165 in the breasts. So, let's get to it. Paying off my mortgage.
What are you guys doing?
I heard dad bods on OnlyFans are good, so I'm just getting some footage right here.
Oh, okay. But why is your shirt off, Brad?
What?
Don't ask questions you don't want the answer to.
Okay, so now we're just gonna carve into this bad boy. So we got Spencer here. He has made a special concoction. It is jello. So he's gonna run you through everything that went into this jello.
So I call this party jello. The main base is strawberry, because let's be honest, strawberry's awesome. You throw some hot dogs in there, you throw some Halloween pumpkins in there, and then some fruit snacks for extra flavor, and everything blends together so well, it just tastes amazing.
All right, so we got a shirt right here for Spencer because he brought some food for a taste test. So let's get to it.
No.
Let's put it to a vote. All those in favor? Looks like you're in! Yes!
I'm gonna need a spoon. Really, Brad? Really? No. No, Daddy. You can definitely taste that smoke right in that first layer. And then you get into that dark meat, and she's just juicy, baby. And that skin, just packed with salt. It's delicious.
Everybody quiet, everybody quiet. Today we have you all gathered here for a Thanksgiving dinner. Though it is also Danny's birthday, we just wanted to go around the table and talk about all the things that we may be thankful for. You know, maybe Danny might be one of those things, but who knows?
I'm thankful for bibs because they keep the meat off of my pig-nosed puppies.
I'm thankful for Danny's birthday. I'm thankful for foreigners and low security at the border.
I'm so grateful for the food that Danny made and her birthday. I'm so thankful for the time away that I have from my children.
I'm just grateful to be on Smoke Hose.
Happy birthday, Danny. I'm thankful for my friends and Thanksgiving dinner.
I'm grateful for fun-sized Reese's Fast Breaks.
I'm thankful for pre-sliced bread.
I'm thankful for neighbors that make really yummy food. Happy birthday, Danny.
I just wanted to also say that I'm really thankful for...
That's enough, Mitch. There's no time for you.
It's me, my birthday. Grateful that I was born. And I guess for the people who are here, too.
First and foremost, I'm thankful for Traeger for coming out with beautiful barbecue. I'm grateful for Yeti coolers, keeping keeping meat warm and keep drinks cool. I'm grateful for the Traeger pellets. They're the best pellets in the business. Grateful for Mountain Dew. I'm grateful for, hey, what's that barbecue store that you went in?
Barbecue Pit Stop.
Barbecue what?
Pit Stop.
Barbecue Pit Stop. Really grateful for Barbecue Pit Stop and you know, everybody else that's here. Get smoked, hoes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Traeger. Happy birthday to you. Just kidding, babe. Love you.
Thanks, puppies.